amazing, and you're going to make me cry. Just watching these kids come in, I think it's overwhelming for them, but they don't realize that it's overwhelming for us too, because there's been so many people who put their heart and soul into this place to build it for them. This is not for any adults or even the people who own it and who thought it. This is for the kids. And so when we see them come in here, and I don't know what you can see, but behind me, we've got volunteers, people who are donating their time, who love on these kids in our community. Where do you get that? Where do you see that? We are super excited to be able to do this for Manteca. We're super excited to be able to do this for the Manteca High School, Lincoln, everybody though. It's for everybody in Manteca, all the high schools, all over the city. Anybody can come. We're open. We want to love on everybody in the communities. Hearing the echoes, the TV, the music, it's surreal, that word. It was empty. It was hollow. There was no life. In fact, 30 minutes ago, there was no life. And within a second, as someone walking in the door, it's completely changed and transformed.
I think it's fantastic to have this kind of youth community center right next to our school. We'll give kids an excellent place to hang out after school and get snacks, watch TV, hang out with their friends. I think it's a really neat project. This gives kids a place to go as opposed to just wandering around and getting into shenanigans. So I love the fact that they have this. I mean, there's cornhole back there. I heard they're going to put a pool table in. So it should be a really neat place for kids to hang out.
It's pretty nice. I like it. I like what they did in here. I like the white, and it looks really nice in here. Yeah, I think yeah, I like it in here. It's comfy. They make it welcoming.
You gonna bring any friends with you?
Yeah, for sure.